What's up, guys? Welcome to Morbified Rides. Today I want to do a quick short video on my 1971 Plymouth Duster 340 4-speed car. Her name's Lilith and she is one nasty fucking bitch. This car does not have the original 340, but it does have a 1968 340 in it that I threw together. It's got J-heads, big cam, Edelbrock Performer RPM intake, 4-barrel, headers, yada yada yada. The heads I have a little bit over 40 hours in porting and port matching and polishing. She runs real good. Anyway, her name is Lilith, and I'm gonna do cold start for you. She's quite dirty. She hasn't had a bath since I threw the satin black paint on her. But let's see if she runs. Immediately, it's cold, she says. I don't think I have the choke set up quite right yet, guys. I think that's about it, guys. I know it's a short, quick, stupid video, but I plan on having much longer and better content here in the future. Hopefully a lot more first starts, resurrections, rehomes of old vintage cars, hot rods, motorcycles, dirt bikes, four-wheelers, yada, yada, yada. Please like, share, and subscribe if you liked it, and please check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.